Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So have you noticed, so I got the home gym. So I'm trying to work on myself when I'm tired of working on the cars. So, yeah, it's pretty good. I think it's better than go to the gym. Yeah, it's cost me similar price per annual. Yeah, I'd rather get this and I can do whatever I want anytime. You can see, so today I'm trying to fix my oil catch can, because right now you can see I'm using the pretty sketchy custom setup. So because right now the oil, so when the car is boosting, so the oil spray out of the filter, especially so everywhere in the engine bay, so those areas. So today I'm trying to get a better setup. So I got universal type. So this one's Baffled oil catch can with a stainless steel filter. Actually, you can see the quality is, I'm quite surprised. So it has all the end fittings, but it doesn't come with the fittings. Those fittings are pretty expensive, man. So to be honest, so oil catch can is cheap, only like 80 bucks, something around that. But pretty good quality. But those lines, the fittings all together, man, are still alright. So this one can give me the professional result. And also the drain plug is also pretty interesting. So this one has a, so you don't have to remove everything because it has a hole. And there's another small hole, so inside the bigger hole, you only need to turn halfway. So this thing, the oil can drain, so you don't have to remove everything. So that would be a pretty smart design. And so filter also washable, stainless steel. You can see the quality is pretty good, and made in China, of course. But man, so those quality is nice. And Baffled. So there's some plate and also. So I'm not sure where exactly the design is inside, but pretty much. So the oil is not gonna spray out of the filter anymore. But ideally I want to, we'll see how it goes, but ideally I want to add another hose. So for example, if I put a catch can here, if you can use another hose to guide the like smelly gases underneath the car. So I don't have to breathe the smell when I'm driving, right? Because right now, so this thing is like a, so it will still, you can see some smoke, and so when I'm driving, so I can smell it and make me slightly headache. We'll see. So I'll try to see how I fit this on the car. So hopefully those point, and I can use the existing holes on my car, so I don't have to drill another hole or anything. And now let's remove this old bastard and see what kind of fitment I can do. And to be honest, so this thing only on the car for less than 12 hours. So I put it on yesterday and it worked. But I think my car, yeah, it deserves better. But you can see it actually worked. So I think this is a smart way to fix the filter problem, right? But yeah, definitely a better catch can will, you can see when you open the engine bay, so it's a bit sketchy, man. Yeah, look at that. So you catch the oil pretty well. Alright, so I think there's something I can use. I think that clamp I can use on the outlet from the rocker cover. Yeah, probably can remove it. And that bolt, I'm not sure if I can use maybe too small, but let's find out. So I'm gonna do the test fit first, see if the space looks slightly small, but let me show you. So See this point? Yeah, probably the fitting, so I need to do the fit. And the good thing is, so there's one hole matched. Yeah, I think it should be alright. So I can mount, so I can put on this, and the other side I can use the zip tie. If there's hole, so the original hole there already drilled. So I don't want to drill too much holes, but I can do a zip tie to secure the other side. You can see this is pretty much the location I can, and the hose doesn't touch. Yeah, that would be perfect, man. That's perfect. And you can see this old hose, lots of oil on the surface. Yeah, I think when this thing getting hot, so it's just slightly leaky, so it cannot. Yeah, pretty soft. Got the new braided lines from Vibrant Performance. So this one pretty high quality, so it just definitely will not have those kind of problems. Let's see, how long should I use? I'm gonna cut it. I think it's not that easy to cut. So I think, let's see, maybe I should get a grinder or something. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this area first. Alright guys, so we got a little problem here. So the size, so this hole is slightly too small. So I'm gonna go to the bindings maybe to get an adapter here. Let's go. I will bring the catch can with me. At the same time, maybe I can find a plot to block this. Hey guys, I'm back from Bunnings. Let's see what I got. So this one is a brass cap for catch can. It's not exactly the same size, but it's really close. So I'm gonna use a thread, so the thread seal tape on this one. So it's gonna fit perfectly without leaking. And 2 hose clamps. I'm gonna cut this hose. This one is an aluminum hose. I'll cut it and make a joint to connect these holes to the outlet on the rubber cover, the PCV valve. And you might want to ask, so why do I not go to just buy the hose joiner? Yeah, because everywhere is closed today, and I cannot wait another 2 days. Because right now I'm in rush to put this on. It's still gonna work, so I just need to do some cutting, sandings to make it like a reducer. And let's see. So I make it well. You can see what's the final product looks like. Yeah, so I cut this small piece. So I'm gonna sand it to make it smooth. Also try to sand maybe half the area to make the diameter slightly reduced, but not too thin, so I can fit on the new braided hose much easier, because this is the minimum size I can find, 10 mil, so nothing smaller. Yeah, so this is a final product. So I still need to use a little bit old hose. See, the idea is just like that. Put this on, right? So clamp them together, and the other side is for the new hose. Yeah, it doesn't look too clean, but just need to make it work first. Maybe later on I'll try to find the better fittings. Now it's gonna work well. See, so the other side. I can push through there and just connect everything together. Here we can put the cap on first. See, just like that. You see the size is slightly oversized, maybe just 0.5 millimeter. But after I use the seal, it's pretty good. Alright, you can just tighten it up. Yeah, it's pretty tight and definitely gonna work. Yeah, the hose is on. Not the best looking, slightly overwhelmed around this area. Too much clamps. Yeah, but let's just try to make it work first. I'll do some measurement, see how long do I need. Yeah, that's all good, guys. See, much better than before. Okay, also the lines to the hose, so I try to get some little bit clearance, so you can see it doesn't touch the intake manifold. Yeah. Only here, but it's okay. Pretty big, right? Yeah, went for a drive and absolutely no oil spill out of filter because the oil probably just hitting the wall inside the catch can and just dripping down the bottom. Yeah, but still have got some smoke. I can still smell it. So I probably will see if I can get another hose and mount and screw this filter underneath. I'm not sure, underneath the car or somewhere lower, probably around those areas, so the gas can escape from the cabin. And so instead of going through here, escape from here, so it went into my driving position, so you can see, so I can smell all the gas from there. But yeah, so right now it's pretty good, so I'm happy with it. Okay, also the exhaust wrap, so I did a few days ago, so holding up pretty well, so nothing loose. So, yeah, I think I still got some problem with my starter motor. It's slightly better than before, but when it's hot, super hot, so it's still slightly struggling to start the engine. I think I'll probably just get used to it and live with the car. It just can't still start, just slightly struggling sometimes. But let's see. So let's see how long the starter motor will last. Yeah, worst case, so I just replace it, or maybe remove it and do some reconditioning on the starter motor. Yeah, otherwise everything is good. Yeah, probably will do some exercise after that. Yeah. So this is my new home gym, but I only have a little bit weights for right now. So those are maybe total around 30 kg. But later on I'm gonna get more weights, so I'm trying to get more training. I used to train a lot, but just because of work, you can see something happening in life, is so busy at work. And now I can finally, so my biggest hobby, cars, second biggest hobby, maybe the bodybuilding coming now. So let's see. Again, hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, see you next time.